Good day, my friend. So I will show you how to delete permits and how to update charts for this GRC 9201. So let's go. We will proceed first to menu. Then after that one, go down, then code input, then put password 9999, then enter. Go to chart maintenance, check status. So for example, like this one, if you can see, we are now week 40, but this one still week 33, and the permit will be expired on October 31, 2025. So in this voyage, I don't use this ENC, so I will delete it. Then after that one, I will update. So just tick this one, cell name, so all ENC will be ticked. Then after that one, delete. Now deleting charts. So we will wait to complete this one, and we will update new permits and new updates for all ENC. We will delete all permits. You see this 11,786, then we have a total of 11,772. So after this one will be deleted all, we will install new permit, and we will update new updates for all ENC. If you can see, no more permits, no more ENC, so you have 0 license already. So we need to install new license. Go to import update license. Then this one, browse, then go here in the permits, then take this one or two, then okay, then after that one automatically. So if you can see, we installed already 8,779 charts. So now we need to update all charts. So go to import update charts, then ENC, then browse, then highlight only this flash drive, then okay, then after that one automatically, then all, then we will just wait to complete this one, this 27,542 updates for all ENC. Then after that one, we have already new ENC charts in our ECDIS. Update already complete. Then if you can see already here, 8779 license, 0 license have been expired. So even if you will see some other folder, you can see that no more expiration, it's already renewed. So if we will go back to the ECDIS, we will see that no more alarm. Just go route planning, route monitoring, ECDIS. So if you can see, no more alert coming, you see. So all our permits has been already renewed, and some old permits already deleted. So that's all. Thank you.